Hello everybody, today we're going to see the hormone analysis of both the tech ichroma β-HCG test cartridge kit. If you look at, I just getting it closer for you. It's ichroma β-HCG test cartridge kit. Basically it's a 25 test cartridge kit and it's a CE-IVD certified product. You can see this here. It is intended to use as quantitative test of β-HCG in human whole blood, serum and plasma. A typical box contains 25 cartridges, 1 ID chip, 1 insert, 25 detection buffers and packaged in a separate box, 25 sample dilute packaged in a separate box. So this is what you can see. The separate boxes available for this kit. You get the separate box for the detection buffer and also a separate box for the sample dilute. 25 numbers in each. Let me go around this box. You can see the manufacturing location. Okay, this is the total kit. Let me open this for you. Inside the box you can see one ID chip for β-HCG, and you get one IFU brochure, ichroma β-HCG is a fluorescent immunoassay for the quantitative determination of total β-HCG in human whole blood, serum, plasma. You can see there's introduction, there's a principle and the key components, and you get the storage and stability details and limitations, and you get the complete test procedures. You can see the materials included, and you can see the sample collection, the test setup and test procedure, and test procedure using sample dilute, and you get how to interpret the results. You get a complete details in the IFU brochure for conducting this test. On the inside, further inside, you have got the 25 cartridges here. Let me take 2 cartridges out of this to show you both the sides. Inside you can see that it's a ichroma β-HCG cartridge test kit, and you can see this cartridge pack, and you can see the lot number and also expiry date. It's a CE-IVD certified, and the other side of the cartridge pack contains the manufacturing company name and the location. Okay, I have to go around the additional boxes. You see you get a 25 pack of detection buffer for the β-HCG. Okay, this is how the total box looks like, the other sides. Okay, let me open this. So this is the total, is the detection buffer. I can show you one detection buffer, how it looks. So you can see the buffer liquid inside. You can see this here, the buffer liquid. Okay, so you have got 25 numbers of detected buffer separately kept in a box, and it has to be maintained in, you can see that it has to be maintained between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius for you to use till the expiry date. And actually you have this sample dilute buffer. Let me open this box. You can see this, I just got this also opened. You can see for the β-HCG, you can see that both lot number and also sample dilute buffer, the 25 numbers here for the 25 test. Just to take this, just to show you with the clarity, it has, you can see the liquid inside. Okay, let me keep it here and show you. Okay, I think you can see the liquid inside this sample dilute. Okay, I'm putting it back. Okay, just to summarize here, if you look at this is just quickly summarize here. If you look at this ichroma β-HCG test kit cartridge this test kit contains primarily one ID chip and 25 test cartridge pack and one IFU brochure and two additional boxes. In each box it contains the detector buffer and sample dilute buffer, 25 pieces. This is the total summary, or the total box looks like. So you are keeping the ice gel pack here just to maintain the temperature. This is temperature control, 2 to 8 degree for the detector buffer and the sample dilute buffer. This is how the total test kit looks like. Thank you.